Good advice. Okay, so this was the video that I did about charging for estimates with my boy James from Golden River Construction. Ken asks, I like to charge for estimates that I don't want or do if I get a feeling about price shoppers or something being a waste of time. And then he said, so do you apply that consultation fee to the project if they hire you? So the answer is yes. I charge consultation fees, and then if the person ends up purchasing like a larger thing from us, then we always apply that consultation fee to that price. For doing estimates, this isn't like a black and white, like, oh, you should always charge for estimates. If I desperately needed work, I probably wouldn't charge for estimates. I'd probably just spend my time doing free estimates. If I think someone's a tire kicker, I'll throw out a price just to see if they're serious enough to pay for my time. More of like a shit test than anything. If we're super busy and our schedule's booked out and I only want the best clients, then I absolutely will charge for estimates because I want to disqualify the less serious people. So there's not a one size fits all answer for this. If you are investing hours or even dozens of hours into doing an estimate or a bid, then you can decide if you want to do it for free or charge for your time. If you find yourself wasting a ton of time that would be more valuable going somewhere else doing estimates, then start charging for them. If you have no business and you desperately need work, then you probably will just do any estimate you can for free. So, the same guy, a little follow-up. The same guy said, how much do you charge and how do you word it? So when I charge for estimates, they're for remodels and they're usually for larger remodels. If it's something like a small bathroom and it's an estimate that's not gonna take me more than like an hour, then I will just do it for free. Usually. If it's like a big job that's going to require me calling subs in and getting designs made and all that, then 100, even if they have designs, if I'm gonna have to do a material takeoff and all this stuff, like I'm going to charge for that. And what I do is I use a tool from Remodeler magazine called the Cost versus Value Report. And the Cost versus Value Report breaks the country down by regions, and you can find this online. It breaks the country down by regions, and it gives you a low, mid, and high range of different types of remodel projects. And it also gives you their sale value were you to sell your home after doing this remodel. So it's kind of geared towards homeowners looking to see what kind of return on investment they can get on a kitchen remodel or something. But it's also helpful for contractors because it's giving you like a price range and a job description. And so what I would do is I'd take that cost versus value report, talk to somebody about their project, show them a project like the one they're describing in the cost versus value report, and show them like, hey, this project is going to cost around $100,000, and then see if that's in their wheelhouse, in their budget. If they say, yep, that 100,000 is exactly what we were thinking, I say, okay, great. We're gonna take 3% of that 100,000 as our fee for doing the estimating and meeting with our subs and confirming the designs and doing all of that preparatory work so that we can give you an actual price for your specific project. And then we take that 3% deposit and then we go to work getting them their actual fixed bid. And then if they decide not to go with our bid, then we deduct the time and materials that went into doing that bid, and then we refund them the difference if there is a difference. Otherwise, that 3% is just part of the 100% of their project payment. So it's like, yeah, it gets applied to their project, but really it's just the first stage of their project. If it's a project that requires a fixed bid and all that planning and whatnot, then it's something we got to charge for. I get a lot of people asking in the comments how they can work with my company and I. There's always a link in the description on ways that you can get a hold of us. So if that's what you're looking for, go down to the link, click it, and we'll talk to you soon.